In a boiling water, add leftover short grain rice. Cook it in high heat for about 6 minutes until the rice softens. Turn down the heat to medium and add chopped carrots and broccoli. After about 3 minutes, when veggies are softened, turn the heat down to low. When the porridge has cooled down a bit, a minute or so, add beaten eggs in circular motion, covering the surface, and stir slowly to preserve soft and lumpiness of the eggs. Eggs will be hardened and break if you cook it in a medium or high heat. Add roasted sesame seeds and stir. Crushing sesame seeds enhances the flavor. Add soy sauce for color and flavor. Add some salt to taste. Add few drops of roasted sesame oil for flavor. The egg porridge is super quick to whip up and serve, taking less than 15 minutes. It's a simple to make, but it really shines when you put some love and caring. Just take a few minutes to read the instructions and you will be rewarded with a delightful dish that will comfort your soul. It's a gentle and easy to digest, making it perfect for those who want a light start to their day or have sensitive stomachs.